All right, so I'm actually laying down right here because I'm watching TV. But the thing about it, the site I'm about to show you, they're going to give you surveys and they're going to ask you basically what you watch on TV. You can even take surveys in your webcam and a lot of easy surveys on this site. It's a really cool site. I've been using it for a long time and I'm about to show you. Watch this. All right, so here's the site right here. I will leave the link to it in the description. Um, this site, it has surveys, but they don't take a long time. And you see here just by the survey spotlight, you got two webcam surveys. Now, I've done a lot of webcam surveys, and most of them that I do are on here. The thing is like you see here, 5 minutes, 50 points. 5 minutes, 50 points. They run out fast. You got to kind of do them quickly. 7 minute survey, 35 points. So their surveys they don't take a lot of time. And one thing I like about the webcam surveys is really a lot of times you just watching a commercial and just answering, you may be like a couple of questions after that, and you get credited. Very simple. I've done plenty of videos on this site. I will leave the link at the top of the me taking a live survey with this site. So I'll leave that at the top so you can feel free to watch that just so you can see that, how easy the surveys are and that there's proof that, they can be completed in a fairly easy amount of time. So I just want to show you that real quick. Like all the surveys here that pop up in the survey spotlight, you can refresh and get more. You can go down here. You see they got premium surveys, 95 points each. Exclusive surveys, 75 points. Profile survey. You have to do this, every once in a while just to make sure your profile is up to date. And the thing about it is they pay you. So complete your extended profile to earn guaranteed points. So that's 25 points. And like I said, you'll probably do that maybe, once or twice a month. Um, just depending on the question that they're giving you, especially when you start completing a lot of surveys. You have to do that more and more just so they can make sure, all right, look, this person here, they're completing surveys, we want to send them more, but we want to make sure that they matches up with their profile. So that's very important because when you have that filled out, it really does help you qualify for more surveys. This is another survey that I like, TV studies, 35 points. All of this survey here is going to do is going to ask you what TV show that you watch either today or yesterday, and you're going to answer questions about it. Now, the thing about it is you don't have to get all of those questions right, but you do have to complete the survey, and the survey is usually 10, no more than 12 questions. And like I said, you can get, some wrong, but you just want to make sure you go through the whole survey. Very easy survey. I do that, pretty much every time I log on to this site. That's how I'm able to cash out so fast because I cash out maybe twice a week on this site. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to cash out in this video as well. After I'll show you another thing I like about this site is the daily polls. So how satisfied are you with branded surveys leaderboard? I'm very satisfied, and I'm going to get 5 points for doing that. Just to show you real quick, I'm gonna go back up and show you my points. I got 621 points. That is equivalent to $6.21. So it's going to jump up to 626 after I answer this question. I'm going to submit it, and right there, I'll go back up, just refresh the page real quick, and I'll have 626 now. So just like that, very easy to do. You can cash out at a minimum of $5 right here. You see, that's why you have the 500 right there. I mean, at one point in time, you had to have $10 to cash out, but they lowered it, which is really cool because that means sites, they're listening to what the people are saying, because a lot of people don't really like high cash out thresholds. So when you lower it, it makes it more user friendly. So $5 is easier to get, quicker to get, all that kind of good stuff. So now I'm going to cash out. And doing that, I just click on my points right here, and I already have my stuff, my email, PayPal, all that kind of stuff set up. So I'll go to redeem points, just click on that, and it's going to just kind of basically just ask me, am I withdrawing the whole amount, things like that, 626, all that stuff. So I can kind of actually lower it, to a minimum of 500, but I'm going to take the whole 626. My payment method is PayPal. I got my email address right there. That's where it's going to, just to verify all of that. The expected date is the 9th. So that'll be here in a couple days because the day of the 7th. So all I got to do right here is request withdrawal. And right there, it goes into processing. Like I said, the expected delivery date will be the 9th. So I'll just wait there, and you see here the money redeemed, just kind of showing you that it's there. And now you're just doing waiting for your money. So very simple site to use. Like I said, the link to it is in the description. Sign up. It's completely free. As soon as you sign up, I recommend doing your profile. That way you can get paid for that. And they kind of know what surveys to give you. Do those webcam surveys. Like I said, it's just watching those commercials, doing a question, or two after that. Do the TV study because those are easy. Just asking you TV shows that you watch. Even if you don't answer all the questions correctly, you're still going to get points. And you can really just rack up, really quick with this site. Like I said, I cash out twice a week on this site, very minimum. Very easy to do. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description. Sign up today and always remember every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.